Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by updating to iOS 26 and confirming a fresh backup. You need a stable Wi-Fi and power source. You'll enable two-factor authentication and confirm Apple ID sync so widgets, shortcuts, and home profiles transfer cleanly. Once done, open Settings and set display and brightness defaults. Choose light or dark and a wallpaper family that supports depth. Make sure to enable focus and notifications. Sync, now so later custom profiles behave predictably across devices. You'll rearrange apps and widgets to craft a workflow-focused layout. Long press the home screen, move apps into folders, and create smart stacks for morning, work, and evening contexts. This reduces clutter. Then edit widgets. Resize to 2x2 or 4x2, stack related ones, and allow smart suggestions to auto-rotate content. Next, open Control Center and add toggles like Focus, Low Power, and Home controls. This gives instant access to the features you use most. Finish by building shortcuts automations that run on schedule, location, or NFC tags. Bind them to focus modes for context-aware behavior. You'll also set per app appearance, limit indicators, and adjust system font scaling for legibility. Once configured, test workflows end-to-end. Launch apps, trigger automations, and verify widgets update. If something breaks, reset settings general transfer, or reset all settings to restore defaults without erasing data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.